Bonus Bin Reports. Under the link at the top, under Bonus Bin, click on Main. The main report will give you the different types of allocated, standard, and voucher funds that are out there in the bonus bin, how many inactive and total active accounts that you have, and the average balance of those accounts. You can go back and view transactions in the last 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, so you can see the number of deposits, number of withdrawals, and how many that are pending. The commission confirmation lists the actual commission runs. You have to go in order to force funds to go to the bonus bin. The next one is transaction confirmations. This is where you confirm all transactions that are currently sitting in the bonus bin pending approval or pending action by the corporation. So anybody who has requested any transfers of current standard funds that are sitting in there now to be transferred out, like for example ACH, would appear in here, and you can approve those. Once you confirm your commission confirmation page, all commissions that are going to go through the bonus bins, they deposit in and then automatically transfer out to, say, ACH, for example, would also appear in this list, and you would need to confirm those. Once they're confirmed, then you can go to the payment exporter. We're going to jump to that. The payment exporter is where you build a file to send to your bank. So for example, you are sending a file of ACHs to your bank so you can pay these bonus bin funds out. You can create an export, and I'm just going to click on one to show you the different types. So for example, this one would be marked as ACH because you're sending it for ACH to your bank. You can choose the different countries of distributors that you are sending this file for, and then your bank will determine what fields that you need and what order they need to appear in. So this is very similar to building your order export. So if you have any questions about setting up the different columns and things like that, please refer to that as well. You can set up the file prefix and the type of file extension. You can set it to schedule out, or you can go ahead and set it to just run whenever you come in here to execute the file. Once you execute the file, it'll appear in your payment export history. So if you were to have paid a batch of ACHs for your distributors last week and then you ran another export this week, both weeks' exports would appear in the history here, and this list, once it gets long, you can scroll through it and it's done by date range, and then you can click on the file that you need to see and download the file into an Excel spreadsheet. Transaction reports will give you all sorts of information about the actual transactions that are happening within bonus bin between one day and another. So for example, if I wanted to see every order that was paid for by a bonus bin fund, I could do that. I could check order here, and then I could set the date range, and then I would be able to run a report. If I wanted to see everybody who created a voucher between this date range, I could do that. If I wanted to see everybody, I would check all the boxes, all the transactions that happened within bonus bin, and then I would set a date range from start to end and then run the report so you can see all the different types of transactions that are happening. Your currency report will list all the different types of funds that are in bonus bin, so vouchers, standard versus allocated, and your total funds, and in what currencies they are in. Currently, our bonus bin only supports USD. The adjustment importer is to mass upload adjustments for a large number of distributors into the bonus bin. So if you wanted to give everybody who placed an order for SKU 1234 a $5 bonus into their bonus bin, you could do that. So you would go here and click on the sample file. You would fill out the file, and then you'd save and upload the file, and those funds would automatically be imported into the bonus bin without you having to go in one by one into each account to save them.